Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the buds and a charged case. Now make them discoverable. Plug in and charge until the LED shows solid or 50% plus, then remove earbuds from case. Press and hold the power button on one earbud for 3 to 5 seconds to power on and enter pairing. While you do that, open Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep scanning. Once the push active appears, tap to pair. You will hear an audio cue confirming connection, so wait for that. Once paired, make sure firmware is current by opening the Skullcandy app, updates fix stability and battery life. In the app, set your EQ and assign buttons. You can change ANC and transparency behavior there. Learn touch controls. Single tap for play/pause, double tap for next, triple tap for previous, and long press for voice assistant or ANC depending on your mapping. Test volume and mic by making a short call. This verifies audio routing and lets you tweak comfort and seal for bass response. To finish, place both earbuds back in the case and close it. That ensures they power down and recharge. Make sure ear tips fit snugly. Good seal equals better bass and ANC performance, so swap sizes if needed. For regular upkeep, wipe contacts and silicone tips once a week. If pairing or audio drops occur, reset the earbuds by holding both buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.